Hello guys, welcome back. This is the OPPO A5 from 2020 and today I'll show you how to enable developer options. Get started, open settings and scroll all the way down to About Phone. Here you'll find build number. Tap on it 7 times until you see the message, "You're now in developer mode." Go back and go into additional settings, then find developer options. From here you have access to all developer options. I'd discourage you from flipping switches randomly, as some settings can have a greater impact on your device. For example, OEM unlocking will reset your device and you'll lose all your data. Only switch things on if you know what they do and the consequences. That's basically how you enable developer options. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.